Clickfunnels is a powerful marketing and sales tool. This platform provides the user with a shopping cart, autoresponder, email services, and other essential features. Clickfunnels is a leading tool in the advertising and marketing space. As such, you can begin making money with Clickfunnels, but not just through it, by being an affiliate of it. Clickfunnels 101. Clickfunnels provides users with sales funnels that are pre-built. Clickfunnels particularly saves time for a person, organizes their sales funnel from scratch, and speeds up their sales funnel setup. There are a variety of templates on Clickfunnels from which users can choose. The templates have a user-friendly interface and contain things like animations, watches, videos, and other essential items. If any entrepreneur or someone who does not have their own website have doubts about the importance of Clickfunnels, then they should consider the following. First, when someone signs up for Clickfunnels, they do not have to worry about hosting a website. Second, they do not need programming or any design experience. They don't need any technical knowledge. Third, Clickfunnels helps to track conversion rate and split testing so that an individual can improve their results. There are a lot of handy features with Clickfunnels, from powerful integration to built-in assets. It's constantly evolving, meaning it's a high return investment for a business. Clickfunnels Affiliate Program. People can earn a nice amount from this platform when they share Clickfunnels links with other people. For example, if a person signs up with Clickfunnels and tells others that they should also be following a link, they will receive a commission. Users will receive a commission if the user has signed up for Clickfunnels using their link. Clickfunnels created this affiliate program so that more and more people know about their software and use it to their advantage. This platform has a positive impact on sales and should only be used for this purpose. Affiliate earnings. Once you become the Clickfunnels affiliate, it is the Clickfunnels priority to give you the best of everything and ease processing. Clickfunnels have many offers for you, such as the commission-based earning and the sales funnel earning. And how can you get the commission-based earning? Once you reach 100 active members, you get $500 per month towards a dream car. If you hit 200 active members per month, you get $1,000 per month towards your dream car. Wow! When you become the Clickfunnels affiliate, you have a Clickfunnels affiliate ID and all the banners, emails, ads, and tools. Besides becoming the Clickfunnels affiliate, Clickfunnels gives you the best training for promoting your business. It helps you to enhance your sales funnels and hence your Clickfunnels business. Once you become the Clickfunnels affiliate, you can earn up to 40% commission on every sale of the person purchases for the lifetime. Hence, this earning as the Clickfunnels affiliate is the best way to earn passive income. The Clickfunnels affiliate entrepreneurs can advise the Clickfunnels on the different social media platforms. This advertisement is the best way to get many people. You can also try promoting it on social media by word of mouth, writing blog posts, and more. See what you can come up with. No doubt, Clickfunnels is a powerful solution for advertising and marketing campaigns. As such, it's a great investment for business owners and also a great way to make money if you choose to be an affiliate. Do yourself a favor and check it out. Sign up as an affiliate and start making passive income today. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. And if you liked this video, be sure to let us know with a comment, then like and subscribe.